Good coffee. What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a quick review of the Tilta Mini matte box. A few months ago I purchased the Bright Tangerine Kick carbon fiber matte box for my main camera and some specialty effect 4x5.6 filters. And I absolutely fell in love with the look of the Schneider Hollywood Blackmagics, and I've been using them on a bunch of different kinds of projects. And on some of these projects I'm using my Sony FS5 with the 24-105 as my B camera. But in order to match the look of the filters from my A camera, I needed an inexpensive filter holder solution for my B camera. Some of the things I was looking for was, well, that it could hold a filter, at least one filter, that it had a top flag, which would be really nice to prevent flares and maybe as a lens cover, something that was pretty lightweight and that could mount to my 24-105. And I was hoping it could be inexpensive. It didn't need to mount to my 114mm diameter filter. Someone pointed me in the direction of the Tilta matte box and I ordered one, so I thought I'd share with you the unboxing. So why don't we dive in and have a look at that. Opening up the box, what do we have here? We've got, looks like a bunch of these step rings. These are obviously to screw onto your lens and then attach to the matte box. It looks like they give you 4 of them here. And just take my glasses off so I can read these. A 67, 77, a 72, and an 82. Now, interestingly, these are threaded on the outside, but they also have a thread on the inside. So it looks like you can mount this to your lens, but you can also mount a filter inside it, which is really handy. Since it only holds one filter, I guess if you wanted to use a circular polarizer or something like that, you could mount that inside. So that's pretty cool. I have to check that out. What do they give you here? Instructions. This tight fit here. Oh, this is the matte box itself. It's really small. Wow. And really light. But really well built. So a little top flag here. Oh, that's pretty nice, sturdy metal connection. So this appears to be carbon fiber and a carbon fiber flag, and a little thread here for the clamp to clamp onto your lens. But yeah, quite small. It seems like down here on the bottom there is a little catch to pull to where you slide your filter in, and you just use this to secure it. There's a little catch here on the bottom. Yeah, that's I'm very surprised at how small and lightweight that is. What else do they give you? Some kind of rod, and oh, so they give you some kind of rod mounting. We'll have to, I probably won't use the rod mount that much, but that's kind of nice. Boy, they even include the Allen keys in here, which is really nice. They really, they don't make you go out and buy anything extra. They really kind of give you everything you need to get going. So why don't we grab the FS5 here and get it mounted on. So I'm looking at the 77mm. So I'll thread this on. Nice solid rings. They don't feel cheap at all. And we'll just open up slide this on. Oh, that slides on nice. And that is just about it. I'm just going to set these other rings over here to the side for now. So yeah, that is the FS5 with the mini matte box. And close that up. Makes a nice little lens cover. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So let's actually put a filter in, see what that's like. grab one of my Schneiders here. These are not cheap filters, so I want to make sure that it's secure. And what's the best way to do this so that we can see? Just pull that open. Slide that in. And that is it. That little metal piece at the bottom just clips. You can feel it kind of pop back in, and your filter is secure into the matte box. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So, pretty impressed with the matte box so far. I'll take it out and give it a run. This would be a great matte box for anyone who's looking for a second matte box, and they don't need to go much larger. I believe the opening here is 77 millimeters, so you might be able to put it onto larger lenses, but you cannot put it on something like a cinema lens with 114 millimeter diameter opening. But yeah, overall, pretty impressed. That looks nice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel for the next video in the series, and we'll see you in the next video.